Think social media has reached its peak of strangeness? Think again. OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT, has just launched a mind-bending new platform called Sora, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. But here's the twist. It's a social network filled entirely with AI-generated videos. Nothing real. Yet it's designed for you to connect with friends. Sounds bizarre, right? And this is the part most people miss. You can't just download it and dive in. You need a special invite code. Sora, named after OpenAI's video-generating AI, is currently available on the App Store, but access is tightly controlled. The app boldly declares that everything on it is AI created, which raises the question, can a platform built on artificial content truly foster genuine connections? This is where it gets controversial. While some see it as a groundbreaking experiment in AI-driven social interaction, others argue it blurs the line between reality and fiction in unsettling ways. What do you think? If you're curious to explore this strange new world, here's how to get your hands on that elusive invite code. And yes, it's a bit of a process. First, download the Sora app from the Apple App Store. Look for the navy and white cloud icon. Log in with your ChatGPT account or use a different one. Then, tap Notify Me when access opens and allow push notifications. OpenAI is rolling out access starting in the US and Canada, prioritizing its paying pro users. Once you're in, you'll get 4 invite codes to share with friends, spreading the AI-generated fun. Or chaos, depending on your perspective. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. OpenAI's approach has sparked debates, especially after Ziff Davis, CNET's parent company, filed a lawsuit against OpenAI for alleged copyright infringement in training its AI systems. Does this make you question the ethics of AI-generated content? Let us know in the comments. For those eager to dive deeper, check out our guides on AI video generators and the best AI image tools. And if you're still on the fence about Sora, consider this. Is a social network without real content still a social network? Share your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your take on this bold new frontier.